Hello everyone, how are you? Type in the comment box how you are doing now. So in this video, I will show you how we can create a Fiverr account. So let's get started. You have to type here just Fiverr, enter, and click on this website. Now you have to click join. Now you can create a Fiverr account by two ways. One is manually and second one is automatically. If you click here continue with Google, then it will create automatically with your Gmail, and if you click here continue with email, then you have to create an account by manually. Okay, so I will create by manually, and you have to type here your email. So I will copy my email and paste here. Now you have to type here password. In this password you have to use capital letter and small letter, numbers and special characters. Okay, so I am typing my password. Okay, so all is done. Now you have to click continue. Now I have to choose a username. Here I will type my username. Now it taken America Sarmia. Okay, it taken. This is my username. Click here, create my account. Now you have to type the verification code from your email. You can see Fiverr sent me a email. This is the code. Okay, now you have to select selling freelance service. If you are a buyer, then you will click here buying freelance service, and if you are a seller, then you have to click here selling freelance service. Okay, I will click here, then next. Now you can see what type of freelancer are you. So I am a solo freelancer. If you are a agency employee, then you will click here, and if you are a agency owner, then you will click here. So I am solo freelancer, then I will click here, then next. Now what's your freelancing experience? You can select according to yourself. I will select both online and offline. Click here, then finish. Complete your seller profile. Click here. Ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here the breakdown. Then you will click on Fiverr. Now you can see your profile is ready. Okay, you can see. This is your profile. Today is seen so far. In the next video, I will show you how you can set up a whole Fiverr profile. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.